Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are always longing for a healthy body and healthy living. Sometimes we all capitulate our expectations, and our healthy living is always connected with our healthy diets. Today we can look at our healthy Bottle Gourd Fry recipe. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of coconut oil to a heated pan. Then half sliced onion. There is no need to add too much onion to this recipe because the bottle gourd also tastes sweetened naturally. Fry the onions well. Now we can add 1 cup of bottle gourd. You can cut as per your choices like thin strings or small dice. Bottle gourd helps to lose weight and keep your heart healthy. Stir well. Other vegetables in the same way you have already cut the bottle gourd. Now we can add some salt to taste and curry leaves. And stirring well. Add a pinch of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. This time you can add green chilies. I am not adding here. Now I am adding some warm water. Closing the lid. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe and don't forget to enable the bell icon to get new videos. Do like and share with your loved ones. Now the butter has dried and it's ready to serve. Garnish with curry leaves and serve hot. See you with a new yummy recipe. Thanks for watching.